Hey, how's it going, guys? Thanks for clicking and viewing. My name's Tejan. I'm the creator behind this Faceless YouTube channel, and I'm going to be discussing why this channel won't be faceless anymore. But real quick, before we get to that, make sure to pay attention to the whole video because I have a special gift to you guys for clicking and viewing, so make sure to watch till the end. For starters, I feel like I can interact and engage more with the community I'm building by doing a proper introduction and throwing myself on camera. So something that I've personally noticed whenever it comes to faceless channels, from scrolling through TikTok, YouTube, Reddit, Twitter, like all kinds of stuff, uh, I would say that like faceless channels are oversaturated. I understand that certain niches do require them, and sometimes they're good for people who are like shy to the camera and stuff. But because of that fact that it is easier to do, it's going to be more oversaturated. To get like decent growth, it's going to be more challenging to get that with a faceless channel. So that is another reason why I am kind of throwing myself on camera. A little bit more about myself. I am obsessed with the idea of trying to figure out a way to develop passive income, like avoid that 9 to 5, a lot like you guys. This isn't the first channel or project that I've worked on. In the past, I've done drop shipping, Etsy, Amazon influencers where I do like product reviews and stuff, which I'm going to be showcasing more on this channel as well. I've done web development, stocks, streaming, crypto, etc. Like you name it, I have attempted it or done it successfully or not. I would consider myself a jack of all trades. Like I'm sure a lot of you guys can relate to that. And just a heads up for other like future content ideas that this channel will be having, I will be going over past projects. I will be discussing the different successes, the failures, reasons why they didn't pan out well, difficulties, random hardships that any of you guys would probably be able to relate to. Like we're all just people trying to make it and stuff. So I'm sure like you guys will be able to like really relate to that content as well. The main reason why I started this channel is because I have an interest in AI as a tool with all of its endless uses and capabilities, which led you to see like all these reels that I have on this channel. Like, yeah, it started off as something really fun and it was a good hobby on the side. But to my surprise, like it's growing to be like a pretty big success. For instance, within the first month, I ended up reaching 700 subscribers. And like to you, that may not be too like a lot, but like for others and myself, like that was insane, especially for only it taking like about 30 minutes per day to actually like put in the effort and the work. And again, this was just supposed to be something fun. I didn't expect anything from it. Like for instance, when I say fun, I legit made like a lot of these reels just to troll some of my close friends. If you guys want to go like take a look for yourself. Another reason why I'm like really into the whole AI category as a niche or, as a source for content, you don't have to worry about like copyright strikes whenever it comes to like generating like images, because once those images are like created using DALL-E or Midjourney or whatever like tool you're using, like I know ChatGPT uses DALL-E, those are yours, like you own those images now, they're yours. You don't have to worry about like anybody doing like a copyright strike or anything like that. So that's also like a really cool perk, and that's like another reason why I got into it. And to honestly like really build on that, there's really no limit to like how much content you can get from that. It's the only limit is like honestly your imagination, as cliche as that really sounds. But yeah, no, overall it was just like the way to go in my opinion. But moving forward, my goal is to be more engaged with the community and more engaged with this channel. Like I want to be putting more of myself into it. Like I'm going to be doing videos on product reviews, tutorials, anything you guys need help with, like whenever it comes to like digital products or like how-tos or anything like that. I want to share my channel's analytical growth with you guys. But most importantly, in my opinion, I want to give you guys inspiration to build something you love and watch and nurture to grow. To help with that, I want to do my part and do videos on all the different tools I use to cater to my success, such as in-depth use of ChatGPT, Canva, CapCut, among other things I use to aim what I'm achieving to accomplish. Like overall, I just like really want to shed some light on like how easy and simple it really can be to like actually grow your channel. Like for instance, I grew this channel like 700 subs in 1 month. Overall, in my opinion, all it took was just simple consistency and just knowing which tools to use, like the ones I'm going to be like showing you how to use in future videos and stuff. And another reason like why I'm trying to like, do tutorials for you guys and give away free content and like really help you guys out in the comments if you have any questions is because what I see like all over the internet is quote unquote gurus just like really taking advantage of people who don't know anything about digital products, digital marketing, social media, and they'll sell them like courses that are like $400, and all of it is information that you guys can get for free, like all you need is like a proper guide or just like, someone willing to help. And that like honestly like really like kind of bothers me a lot, and I'm sure a lot of you guys see that too. But on the other hand, just to play like devil's advocate, honestly, sometimes people do need those guides and they really don't know where to look and stuff. And if they're willing to like spend any type of excess money that they don't need on those said guides, like that's completely up to them, it's just always been my opinion that if you look hard enough and you do the proper amount of research and aren't just spoon-fed, you can find what you're looking for, no problem. The internet is an infinite resource that you can just, if you have enough like sweat equity to give away, you can find what you're looking for. So to build off that as well in the future, like I will not be taking advantage of any type of audience that I have. If you guys think that you would consider yourself as somebody who needs that guide or doesn't feel like putting in the time to search for whatever it is you want to find, I will be releasing like ebooks or like any type of like small course. So just to reiterate, I'm still going to be posting those same silly AI reels that I always do because, I enjoy it. It's fun, I troll my friends with it and it only takes like a few minutes out of the day. So that's just like a little hobby I have. So as I was saying, moving forward, I'm going to be releasing tutorials on different tools that I use to accomplish whatever goal I'm aiming for, such as Canva, ChatGPT, CapCut, among other things. There's all kinds of resources you guys are able to tap into, but sometimes you just like don't know where to look or have anyone to show you. In the future, I'm also going to be doing product reviews that I have on Amazon Influencer. I'm going to be bringing those videos over here. Companies will send me items to do reviews on, and I want to post those on this channel. So to show my appreciation, if you've made it this far in the video, as a gift to you, if you click the link in the description, I have something completely free. It's a template that I use in Canva to make my AI shorts, completely free to you. All you do is just click, edit the image, and bang, like you're good to upload. Like that's my gift to you. It's my Canva template that I personally use. I'm also giving away for free AI generated prompts that I use through ChatGPT to like help you figure out what kind of image or what detail or design or whatever you're like, aiming to go for. So it's also to assist you with that, totally free. If there's any further insight or anything that you guys would like to learn or see or any type of tutorial, like please leave a message in the comments. Like I read all comments, I check every single one of them. Like I said, the whole reason I'm like, not being faceless anymore is because I want more channel engagement. I want to interact with you guys. I want to get to know my audience, So again, thanks for checking me out. I hope those Canva templates that I sent you guys can be put to use. All I ask for like, future support is just a like, a subscribe, and ring the bell for future notifications. Like I'm really looking forward to like release more tutorials and like help you guys out with anything that you guys would seem beneficial to yourself.